right, so that's the little intro thing. Now if you wanted to strum some chords, I'll also show you how to do this. Alright, before we get started, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all, and let's get into it. So we're just going to play a very simple B minor chord. Now it's not a bar chord, but it's a little weird to play if you've never played a chord like this. So your index finger is going to set down on the 2nd fret of the A, middle finger 2nd fret of the G, and ring finger 3rd fret of the B. And you're going to pluck the A string, the A string, the G, the B, and then back to the G. So one more time, A, G, B, G. Now for the next chord, it's real easy. You just take your index finger off and leave your middle finger and ring finger down. So that gives you a D shape, and you're just going to pluck the D string now. Again, you're going to pluck D, then G, B, G. All right, so we've got. Then what you're going to do is, you see that shape you're holding, you're going to slide your ring finger down right underneath your middle finger. All right, so now ring finger is in 2nd fret of the B, middle finger 2nd fret of the G. I hope I didn't reverse that. I'll put a little chart up here to show you. So middle finger should be 2nd fret of the G like it's been this whole time, and then ring finger right underneath that on 2nd fret of the B. And then you're going to pluck, this time A. So you're plucking A, G, B, G. All right. Now for the 4th chord in the mix, you're going to hop your middle finger up to 2nd fret of the D, index finger 1st fret of the G, and you're going to pluck D, G, B, G. So all that together so far. All right. Now the second time through is relatively the same, except the 3rd chord, what you're going to do, you still bring that ring finger down underneath the middle finger. You bring ring finger down to 2nd fret of the B, but now you got to reach up and grab this F sharp note on 2nd fret of the low E. So you're going to pluck low E, G, B, G. All right. And then for the 4th chord, you're going to pluck open E. Set your index finger down 1st fret of G. Again, G, B, G. So all together we've got. Then it starts over. So now moving on to the strum pattern. So again, the strum pattern that I thought worked pretty well for this was sorry, forgot the chords for a second. So I'm using all the same chord shapes, all right? So if you just strum that B minor chord, and this is actually a shape I use to give an alternative to a B minor bar chord. So it's that same shape, and the strum pattern I'm using is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So that again is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Only problem is we got to switch to the D chord on the up. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So a little slower. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Now we're going to go to a full A chord. Again, that ring finger slides down right underneath middle finger. Index finger now gets added to 2nd fret of the D. And you strum from the A string down, just a standard A chord. All right? And now I forgot how it fits in the mix of the strum pattern. So we got down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So the chord we switch to after the A is an E chord. Index finger 1st fret of G, middle finger 2nd fret of A, ring finger 2nd fret of D. All right, so one more time, all that together. And again, 2nd time through is a little different. We start out with the B minor to the D. But the 3rd and 4th chord, or the 3rd chord's different, remember? So we got that F sharp. But this time what I like to do to make a real simple F sharp minor chord, index finger, again, 2nd fret of the E like it was. But you're going to add your middle finger here to 2nd fret of the D, ring finger 2nd fret of the G. And if you can, actually you don't even have to mute anything out. You could leave your A ring open, and then your B and high E can also ring open. It's just a nice full sounding F sharp minor chord. So you would go from that to your E chord. So it would be like, as I play it right there, I am feeling like maybe the A, open A and that F sharp minor chord might be a bit much. So if you do mute it out, it might actually sound better. So kind of mute out the A somehow, like with your index finger, or just try to get something touching it so it doesn't ring out as much. So you would be like, repeat that while you're singing along or whatever. So that's just a couple options for that F sharp minor. You could leave the A open or try to mute it out a little bit. I think both sound pretty good. So anyway, if this lesson was helpful for you, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.